Yo, hi guys. Today I'm trying to beat this stage and I'm trying to get Behemoth Stone for my career cat. I only have the egg right now. I'm so angry right now. I'm stuck on this and I already tried it for 10 times and I waste all of my energy on this. And this is the one that I will beat it. I'm wondering what trait is that thingy Doge. Oh, it is traitless. So I'm gonna use the brainwashed UFO because it does massive damage on traitless. Okay, put on my brainwashed UFO and now let's get started. So I heard that the solution is to just stall so that the Doge thingy doesn't come out anymore, and after you kill the first wave that comes out after you hit the base with the duck guy, then it will be way easier. So I think I'm gonna stall to the point that nothing left will come out so that so the duck can't 1v1 all my units and he would just die from stress. Yeah, look at them. They are useless without the ducks. By the way, I'm stalling right now. So I'm not just gonna put out all my OP units. I'm only putting them out when in danger, like a situation that will happen 5 seconds later. Yeah, now it's only the duck and some supports. After I kill the supports, yeah, he has no supports now. Now my dragon could easily outrange him. And we should just wait. Okay, these pigs. These pigs are actually quite good because they give me money. I like the money. I like the money. I like the money. I love the money. I love the money. Kill them. Kill them. Yeah, put out Bahama. Put out Bahama. Yay. Now, just wait, please. Bro's gonna die. Bro's gonna die. Go find your mom and cry. Wow, 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 wow. What are you gonna do now? The past few days you were bullying me, crushing me to the point that I'm exploding and spitting blood out of my mouth and noses. And now he's helpless without his little baby Doges. Okay, can you die already? I've been waiting here for like 30 seconds, bro. I know 30 seconds is short, but it's a long time for me. I think he's gonna die. Wait, did you? Nothing, never mind. Never mind. But did you actually see the crazy racer that got in the blind spot? Yes, right. Now I just have to kill the base. And the base is dead. Yay! Oh man, why did I get... No! He gave me the wrong color of the behemoth stone. Stupid. Let me check. By the way, guys, I will still be checking. I will still be grinding for Career Cat. So see you guys next time. I gotta sleep.